In this tutorial, I will show you how to add Google Maps in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After the editor opens, go to the left sidebar and scroll down until you see the Apps section. Click on Apps and use the search bar to search for Google Maps. When the Google Maps app appears, click on it to open the integration. Next, type the location or address you want to show on the map in the search bar. This could be a city, a landmark, or a specific venue. After entering the location, Canva will generate a map preview. Click on the map preview and it will automatically be added to your canvas. You can now resize the map, move it around, and place it anywhere in your design. You can also add text, icons, or shapes around the map to highlight directions or important locations. That is how you add Google Maps in Canva.